Hello everyone! Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Curlyzhedvlog. And for today's video, I'm going to share with you how to crochet this coffee cup cover, or they also call this as coffee cup cozy. And if you're interested in this kind of content, please subscribe to help my channel grow. And now, if you're ready, let's begin. For this tutorial, I'm going to use a cotton yarn, 4mm hook, scissors, and yarn needle. First step is to make a slip knot. Then chain 41. Now, skip one chain, then make 1/2 double crochet on the second chain from the hook. Repeat doing 1/2 double crochet until you finish row 1. In total, you need to complete 40 half double crochet. Now I'm about to finish row 1 and I am doing the last 1/2 double crochet on the last chain, and then after that I'm going to connect them by doing a slip stitch. Connect the last 1/2 double crochet to the first 1/2 double crochet by doing a slip stitch. Then chain 1 and make 2 half double crochet on the first stitch. Next, make 1/2 double crochet on each stitch until you finish the entire row. To complete the round, make a slip stitch. Next, chain 1. For this round, make 1/2 double crochet on each stitch all the way around. Make a slip stitch to complete round 3. Next, chain 1. For round 4, we're going to make 2 half double crochet on the first stitch. Then make 1/2 double crochet all the way around. Complete round 4 by doing a slip stitch. Here are the patterns for round 5 to round 8. As you can see, if it's an even number, you're doing 2 half double crochet on the first stitch, and if it's an odd number, only 1 half double crochet. Follow these steps to complete all the round. This is how it looks like after completing all the rounds, and now I'm doing the last 1 half double crochet, then slip stitch or make an invisible slip stitch to complete round 8. And also, I'm going to weave in the excess yarn to meet the other excess yarn in round 1. Weave in the other excess yarn from round 1. Secure the yarn ends by tying them together. And there you have it. I hope you liked this tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe to help my YouTube channel grow. Thank you guys for watching. I hope to see you on my next tutorial. Thank you and goodbye.